Hello everyone. I would like to tell something related to the New York USA nursing registration license. Many nurses, international nurses, who pass the NCLEX-RN examination for USA like the board of Florida, and they do not have valid license in USA. They have exam result, but they don't have license. So such nurses, what is the difficulty in their licensing process and how to solve the issues? So today I am going to explain about it. If you are a nurse, if you pass the NCLEX-RN examination for Florida Board of Nursing, or if you pass the exam for Canada, you do not have any valid license in USA. If you want to go to USA, you need the license. Most of the nurses who pass the examination, they are not going to the same state where they pass the exam. They are getting the jobs in different states. So in USA, if you have a valid license only, then you can transfer to other state where you get the job. Especially the nurse who outside the country, if you pass the examination for Florida Board of Nursing without social security number, you will not get the license. If you want to get the social security number, you need to reach in USA for getting the social security number. In this case, suppose if you get the job in some other state like Texas or any other state, but you have attended the examination for Florida Board of Nursing. First, you have to reach in the USA, have to get the social security number. After that, you have to get the license in Florida. Then you have to endorse to another state. So it's a time-taking process. And most of the agencies or hospitals who recruited you or is recruiting you, they will ask any valid license in the USA. If you do not have, then the job may lose. So my dear nurses, if anyone pass the examination like this, if you do not have license, you can contact Foreign Plus. We will guide you to take the license in any state from the outside the country with this NCLEX-RN examination result. Illinois and New York is the easiest state to get the license. So if anyone wants a license to take the New York board, you can contact Foreign Plus. We will take your license and we will give it to you. It is not an easy process, like time-taking process. If you have planned to go to USA, you have to do it early because it will not finish in one day or 1 week or 1 month. It is taking more time-taking process. You have to do all the procedure, the verification, transfer, everything. So anyone pass the NCLEX-RN like that, and if you do not have valid license, please try to take the license for any of the states in the USA. That will easy to transfer the license where you get the jobs, in which state you get the jobs. And I would like to explain one more thing regarding this NCLEX-RN examination. We have made the previous video which I have explained clearly the step-by-step the procedure. I will just give you a brief information that normally if you apply for USA, first we will do the CGFNS verification or other board state verification. Once it's complete the verification, we will do the fingerprint. Fingerprint is not required for all the states, but the state which required fingerprint test, we do the fingerprint test. And once you complete the fingerprint test, we will take the approval and we go for the NCLEX-RN examination. These are the base steps. So we do the service for each everything. We do the professional, including for the verification, either CGFNS or other verification. And if anyone wants the support to how to fill the forms in the college or university, we will assist them. And if anyone wants to get the support for the fingerprint test, if you do not know how to do the fingerprint in your country where you are, we will assist you, our candidate. And if anyone would like to attend the examination in Mumbai, India, we are providing a facility that we will pick from the airport and we will arrange the accommodation and we will send you the examination center. And you can, after examination, we will drop you back in the airport. So that service also we are providing. We are providing A to C service for the NCLEX-RN examination for the USA. So if anyone would like to apply for NCLEX-RN examination, if you need any kind of service, you can contact Foreign Plus. We will guide you, and our service is very transparent. We use all the candidate detail for the application. So you can, anytime you can access your steps and the process status, everything you can access it. So if anything, you can contact Foreign Plus. Thank you very much.